For my master bedroom ensuite, I am designing a European-style everything wet bathroom. Creating a self-training tile floor is the trickiest part of this project. It means leveling out the floor and creating a slope to the drain. After that is done, we waterproof the whole bathroom to prepare for floor-to-ceiling tiles. This master bathroom is going to take a lot of time and work, but I think it's going to be really dramatic and cool looking, especially with this beautiful black hexagon tile that I love. I picked it up from Wacky's Flooring. With small tiles like this, it's easy to drift, so follow your chalk lines to keep everything square. All kinds of different patterns with hexagons, which is really fun. So say I want to create a flower pattern, I can get 3 flowers out of each sheet. There's a flower there, there's a flower there, there's a flower here. I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to cut a flower like this. This is going to fit beautifully here in my floor. So I have a bit of a flower pattern when you come into the toilet room. We've made some good progress on the master bathroom. The floor tiles all installed and grouted, and now we're working on the wall tile. We're using these really big white subway tiles. They're 8 inches by 20 inches. You know, it's really hard to get a tile like this that's gonna sit really nice and straight. They all have a different kind of bend to them. The best option to make it look really consistent and to get a really nice clean option is to do your tiles stacked. So you can stack them horizontally, you can stack them vertically. So these will go all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the shower and the bathtub and by the double sink vanity, and it'll be a really sleek, modern look for this everything wet bathroom. There's a few different ways that you can put tile on a wall. You can put your wall mortar right directly on the wall, which is a lot faster, but with this case, since I'm working with such uneven walls and these large tiles, the second way of doing it is to put the mortar directly on the tile. I'm just flat troweling the wall with a little bit of my mortar so to make sure I get a good adhesion when I put my tile on the wall. Because I'm gonna put my mortar directly on the back of the tile, I wanna make sure it's gonna stick. You're using the teeth of your trowel to get a nice even distribution of your mortar. So then you can take a little piece of your cardboard that your tile came in. You can use it as a spacer. You can even use it to clean up your edges. Using my sponge with some water on it just to clean up my mess as I go. So I want to build it out using my mud to help create a level effect on the wall. Okay, and just keep going for 200 square feet. And it's no problem, right? My master bathroom is so close to being done with these gorgeous cabinets that were installed by Aya Kitchen and Bath. The beautiful walnut floating cabinets really play off of that black and white bathroom and this natural wood that I have in the master bedroom. With those vanities, plus that beautiful countertop from Jade Stone, and with these custom blinds from Budget Blinds, I have this great look in the bathroom that matches my master bedroom, but also gives me that privacy that I need in the bathroom. Working on this ensuite bathroom was a completely different experience than reinventing the old. Part of the design aesthetic is to have this new bathroom fit in with the old home. The perfect opportunity to incorporate some vintage lighting I've been collecting. Starting from scratch certainly has its challenges, but the reward is features like a standalone tub, a floor-to-ceiling glass panel for the shower, and a toilet closet for added privacy.